Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, let us solve this equation. So we have root t over t is equal to 2, and here we to solve for the values of t. So t is the unknown we are looking for. Now to do this, solution. So the equation is root t over t is equal to 2. 2 can be written as over 1 such that, we can then multiply 1 times root t is root t is equal to t times 2 is 2t. At this junction, we can then square the both side of the equation. So square the both side of the equation, 2t all square. Square cancel square root, t is then equal to, now looking at this, if you have in brackets ab all raised to power 2, this is equal to a squared times b squared. So applying this rule to this, we have it as 2 squared times t squared. So t is then equal to 2 squared is 4, then times t squared. Okay, with this, we can then move t to this other side of the equation so that here becomes 0. So 0 is equal to, we have 4t squared. If plus t crosses the equality sign, it changes to minus t. So with this, 4t squared minus t is equal to 0. Looking at this, to then solve for t is a common factor right here. So factorize out t. From 4t squared, you are left with 4t. If you factorize out t from minus t, it will give you minus 1 is equal to 0. At this junction, t is equal to 0, or 4t minus 1 is equal to 0. 4t minus 1 is equal to 0. Now solving this, we've gotten the first value of t, which equals 0, right? But then we'll still confirm if the value of t as 0 will satisfy the given equation. But moving on, let's solve for the other value of t from this second equation. 4t minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, this is a linear equation, so move minus 1 to the other side of the equation. You have 4t is equal to, if minus 1 crosses the equality sign, it will become plus 1. To then solve for t, divide both sides by the coefficient of t, which is 4. So over 4 over 4. 4 divide 4, t is equal to 1 over 4. Now we've gotten the second value of t. The first one is t equals to 0, and the second one is t is equal to 1 over 4. Now we can also solve this question using another method. So second method, to get for the value of t. Second method. For the second method, the equation is root t over t is equal to 2. Now, if you have root a is equal to a raised to power 1 over 2. So applying this rule right here, root t becomes t raised to power 1 over 2, then over t is equal to 2. At this junction, if you have a raised to power c over a raised to power d, right, following the rule of indices, this equals a raised to power c minus d. So applying this rule right here, we have the same base, so pick 1, and don't forget that the power of t right here is 1. So you then subtract the power. 1 over 2 minus 1 is equal to 2. The next thing we are going to do is to first of all simplify the powers, which is half minus 1. So half minus 1. Now 1 can be written as over 1, such that we now have to look for the LCM of 2 and 1. Now the LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. So 2 we divide 2, you have 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Then minus 2 we divide 1, you have 2. 2 times 1 is 2. This equals 1 minus 2 is minus 1 over 2. Now, that means that in place of 1 over 2 minus 1, the value is minus half. So therefore, t raised to power minus half is equal to 2. At this junction, we are then going to square the both sides of the equation. So all squared, such that with this, right, to solve for the value of t, if you have in bracket a raised to power b, power of d, right, this is equal to a raised to power b times d. So applying this rule to this, power minus half multiply power 2, So t raised to the power minus 1 over 2 times 2 is equal to 2 squared is equal to 4. Now 2 we divide 2, what you have is t raised to the power minus 1 is equal to 4. At this junction, if you have a raised to the power minus 1, this equals 1 over a. So applying this rule right here, the value of t is then equal to t raised to the power minus 1 is then equal to 1 over t is equal to 4. And 4 can be written as over 1 such that we can then cross multiply. 1 times 1 is 1 equals 4 times t is 4t. To then solve for t, divide both sides by 4 over 4. 4 divide 4, t stands alone. T is then equal to 1 over 4. And with this, we've gotten the values of t. Now, notice something, that the value of t that we got in using the second method was only 1 over 4. But for the first method, we got two values of t as 0 and t as 1 over 4. So let's confirm if the values of t that we got, t equals to 0 and t equals 1 over 4, we will satisfy the given equation. So t equals to 0 and t equals to 1 over 4. Let us check if these values of t will satisfy the given equation. The equation is root t over t is equal to 2. Now for the first one, which is for t is equal to 0, right? So root t is 0 over t is 0 is equal to 2. Now root 0 is 0 over 0 is equal to 2. Now with this equal to is a question. Now 0 over 0 is undefined and is not equal to 2, right? So that means that the value of t as 0 does not satisfy this given equation. Let's now test for the other values of t, which is t equals 1 over 4. So let's check it out. For t equals 1 over 4, right here, t equals 1 over 4. The equation is root t over t is equal to 2. Now in a place of 2, you can bring in 1 over 4. So we have it as root t is now 1 over 4 over t is 1 over 4 with this equal to. Now, at this junction, if you have root a over b, this is equal to root a over root b. So applying this principle right here, this becomes root 1 over root 4, then divided by 1 over 4, with this equal to question mark. So solving this further, right, root 1 right here is equal to 1 over root 4 is 2, then divide into times, 4 goes up 4 over 1, with this equal 2. So 2 we divide 4, you have 2. 1 times 2 is 2 over 1, with this equal 2. And obviously 2 over 1 is 2, which equals 2. So that means that the value of t, which equals 1 over 4, is the correct value that will satisfy the given equation. I hope you've all learned one or two from this video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel, share this video to your friend. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.